In this video, we'll explore how to analyze and work with data in different ways. Let's start with open a file either through a project or directly from your computer or another drive. Once opened, you'll see the file name, the serial number of the device, and the chosen time format, which can be changed to another time zone if needed. You can filter by date and time, choosing a start and end point, and the graph will update to only show that range. Reports can also be filtered so that values within limits are hidden, such as acceleration status, temperature, humidity, or angle data. GPS data can also be hidden, whether triggered by sensors or by a set interval. In the main view, sensors with values outside limits show a red triangle, while those within limits show a green circle with OK. You can decide which sensors to display in the graph by turning them on or off. By clicking on an acceleration point in the graph, you open the current position view. This shows the exact timestamp, the sensor values for X, Y, and Z, which axis triggered the acceleration, and the duration of the event. You can keep clicking on other points in the graph to bring up new values, or use the arrow keys to move step by step through the timeline. The current position window itself can be placed directly on the graph or moved to the left side if you want more space. If you need a closer look, you can zoom into the graph by holding the mouse and dragging. You can choose to zoom only on the x-axis or both at the same time. To zoom back out or restore the original view, you simply click Reset. Filtering lets you narrow data further, for example, by only showing values above or below certain thresholds. Filters can be adjusted or reset at any time. If you have a license to make custom reports, click on Standard and create a new report. Type a name, press Enter, and your new report is ready. You can switch back to the standard report or make more if you want. With your report selected, click Add Cards to choose what you want to see. When you're done selecting, close the view and the cards will appear in your report. You can resize each card by dragging the corner and move them around to arrange the layout. When you're done, your report will look the same next time you open the file. If you want to hide a card, click Hide Card in Report. You can always bring it back later. Reports can be exported. In the PDF preview, you'll see the project name, serial number, programming method, start and stop times, applied filters, export date, and the exporting user. You can adjust which cards to include, their order, and whether the layout is portrait or landscape. Maps can be zoomed before export. When ready, take a screenshot and export as PDF to save on your computer. You can also view device info by clicking Device and then View Device Info. This shows everything about the device, like serial number, article number, and features. You can check parameters like alarm levels, measurement intervals for temperature and humidity, and GPS logging intervals. This view can be saved as a PDF or as a config file to use for new devices. If you want to reuse the same parameters, click Edit Parameters to go straight to Setup and program a new device. And if you've opened a file locally, you can upload it to the company's cloud service so other users in the project can see it. Just click Upload to Cloud.